okwazibopha kuyozikhulula. Politics is a science, my brother. Politics is a science, and if you are not applying yourself scientifically, you will suffer. Ubaba Jacob Gedlehlekisa Zuma, by establishing the MKP, saved the EFF. Number one, the EFF was facing a power contestation. Soon they will have to have an elective conference. And that in that elective conference, there was going to be two rivalry for the president's seat. There was going to be CIC plus Floyd. Already before elections, there were rumors that were saying isihlalo sika-CIC is being questioned and he might be contested by Floyd. So, in every negotiation where you go and try negotiate or represent an entity to a company, you must have two characters leading those negotiations. You have what you call a person who plays devil's advocate. Bese uthola lo munye who's going to be the soft, the polite, who calms things down. So in the EFF case, Julius Silo Malema was the devil's advocate, whereas Floyd Shibambu was the calm, the respectful, the honorable man. Yabo? So having those characters contesting for one seat, a matured mind would want to vote for Floyd. A radical mind would want to vote for CIC. Then there will be a clear contestation of power. Therefore, we are automatically creating two worlds inside one world. There are two wings. Koni wing ka Floyd, koni wing ka CIC. But by Floyd moving out of the EFF, he left room for CIC to dominate as the devil's advocate. Anyone who is fully behind the devil's advocate has that power to support him without feeling guilty. Go Floyd. But one issue was faced by the EFF, which is trying to grow themselves a KZN. They were struggling to grow themselves a KZN. EMK, as much as it is 10 months, it is struggling to grow itself nationwide. So, taking the godly character of Floyd and bringing it into the MK, you're exposing the MK to a national brand. And ngempela, if the takeover eventually happens at the end, you've exposed the character of Floyd to the KZN people. Noma sethiwa ufuna ukuzimela abo president, there are people in the KZN who can vouch for him because he was endorsed by Jacob Zuma. This is an agenda struggle, and you mustn't miss that point. When ngiyakubona uqembu lami kakhulu, now you should be speaking into the ANC as to which agenda you're supporting, but still the agenda of the left wing is winning in this regard. With the Floyd and the troops moving to the MK, and with the CIC still remaining there to self-correct himself, because it's umntwana wethu mele azcorrect. And in the future, siyamdinga. There are other characters that we need who are clean and who have not dented their names, like Mcebo Dlamini. Mcebo Dlamini, if this video gets to you, bro, just know with 2016 you raised so many activists and you are leading from Edwards. Automatically, when you are a leader of SRC and Edwards, it means that you are the president of the nation. when it comes to that generation. So you owe this generation a representation. We are represented by Julius. We are represented by Floyd. We are represented by all of these characters. But the main character in our generation, which is the 2016 generation, is missing its president. And Mcebo Dlamini, you've been in hiding for the longest of time. Come and occupy your seat. Anyway, there are people who are going to vote for your agenda. Not you as a person, but for your agenda. Through you as the person. So, Mfowethu, don't panic. Whatever is happening, the enemy should be worried, not you. You are supposed to be part of us. Or Helen Zille should be in their 6s and 7s, not you. You should be part of us. Or Tony Leon should be in their 6s and 7s. The FF Plus should be in their 6s and 7s, not you. Why is it easy for the FF Plus to unite with the DA in marching against the Bella Bill? But it's hard for you, and you call yourself a radical, to unite with the EFF and the MK for a certain agenda.